when you're given these kind of equations, you don't rush into it. You just take a moment to analyze, okay? For instance, this question right here, you can see that there is nitrogen here and nitrogen here. So when you're trying to balance this, you know that whatever you place here, you must place the same thing here in order to balance the nitrogen, okay? Because those are the only places you have nitrogen on both sides of the equation. So just have that in mind. Secondly, you can see the chlorine standing alone here. So chlorine should be the last thing you should be balancing here. Okay. Now I can see hydrogen here and here. And then hydrogen just one place there. Okay. What else can I see? I can see my oxygen here, O3. I don't know, for some reason I'm always drawn towards trying to balance oxygen first. So let us balance oxygen first. Okay. So if I have 3 here, that's HNO3, and I'm trying to balance the oxygen on this right hand side, I have 1 in here and I have 1. So I think it would be a good idea to place 2 here so that my oxygen on the right will be 3. Notice that it makes my hydrogen on the right 4 right now. That's 2 times 2. So hydrogen here is 4. I have to make sure the hydrogen on this side will be 4. I can't adjust it from here, otherwise it will scatter the nitrogen and it will scatter the oxygen I just balanced now. So let me put it on this side, okay? I'll try to make sure that my hydrogen is 4 by placing something here. I think 3 would be good because I already have 1 H here, okay? Besides, this 3 that I've put here now to balance my hydrogen has made the chlorine change, right? Has made the chlorine 3 now. And I know that that would not be a problem because I already have Cl2 here, which I can correct. Yeah, 3/2 should be nice there. And that should solve it for me. It's possible to use fractions to do your stuff. So, yeah. Oh, there's even another chlorine here, right? I didn't see that. Sorry. So, let's remove this. I believe the 3 here. Chlorine is 3 and chlorine is already 3. So, that's really nice already. We don't have to alter any other thing. So, that means that this is our final answer. Everything looks good. If we're supposed to have a fraction there, then after that, you'll be multiplying through by the denominator 2 to remove the fraction, right? Yes, but then this is okay as is. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.